Today we'll talk about how can you disable other marketing updates notifications on your eToro app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it. When you just click on it here, so then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on settings, just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on notifications, just click on it here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on promotions and marketing, just click on it. You come to this list here, come here to other marketing updates, clicking this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.